Hello, what's up, my people? How una dey? I don't carry another better update carry come. So today, I will make we talk about this new updates where they just drop, where they call them buy trade. Okay, they call them buy trade. Today we go talk about wetin be buy trade, wetin they all about, wetin you need to know their features, and wetin I think about the update. And I will give am my ratings. We go know if the update makes sense, abi no make sense. If you dey see me for the first time, my name is Solomon. I talk about different updates here. Make sure you like, share, subscribe so that if I drop new update, they go notify you. I beg, this one no be tutorial I can't do. No be tutorial. This one na review I can't do. Tutorial they different from review. Okay. Now, if you want to see my tutorials, it in my hidden account. Go drop my tutorial there or check the comment section or the description of this video. For this one, now review I come to conscious. And another thing, this one no be financial advice. Me, I no be financial advisor. I just come here to share my opinion about this particular update. Make we see whether it makes sense or be no make sense. Okay, so make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. I know as we do am. Comment where they watch this video from for comment section. Wetin be buy trading? Now buy trading na one of the way come contact say then they use live trading from Binance and Bybit. Then they trade Bitcoin and all those kind things them. And I know say most of una go hear this kind things. So now my brain go be like, I don't sabi anything about trading. Another thing we need to know about them be say they go give you signals we go use do the trading and so on and so forth. Now wetin be some of the features where they can get for this particular update? Well, the first feature where they can get na the affiliate program will be say they tell if they use the update and the team makes sense for you. If you tell one or two people and if they follow enter the update, you go collect small thing. Now within then talk with that number one. Number two, then get their Bitcoin trading feature where be say if you trade the price of Bitcoin, make it they collect. Another thing we then get now Ethereum trading feature too. If you trade Ethereum, make it they collect and then get other small nyama things like that way. If you do for the update, now then get their calculator for the update where if help you break down the capital within your wallet so they go know what to do or how to trade. Another feature, then get their Telegram channel where be say if you give you signals, 5-minute signal, then go give you 2 times in a day, 9 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock in the evening Nigerian time. Now 1-minute signal, then go give you every minute 24 hours a day. Now if you collect these signals, then does say make you collect these signals, carry them on the trade for their updates. Now waiting where they talk with that. So now some of the features where they get for this particular update 9 BDs. Okay, another thing they get their feature where they talk say if you put small thing and the minimum small thing where if you put na 10 USDT, now the minimum small thing where if you put be that. So they say you need to put small thing for you to start the trading for this particular update. Okay, so now some of the features where buy trading get be that. Now waiting be my opinion, I don't use them. Some of them make sense, some no make sense. I don't use things like this for some time now, and some of them make sense and some no make sense. So it depends, you understand. So now people with sabi to do now them they really benefit for this kind of update them, you understand. So now waiting I tell you be that. Now for all those of that will say I know sabi use crypto, I don't know anything about cryptocurrency, I don't do tutorial on how you fit take buy and sell USDT for Bybit and Trust Wallet, how if you take convert your crypto and all those kind things like that, how if you take send and receive, how if you use P2P, check my hidden account. So I know go talk say now because I know sabi anything about crypto. Now it make me I know do plenty upgrade them. Now waiting be some of the pros and cons. Now the first pro be say it easy to use. Now the next pro now come be say then get active customer service where be say if you get issues they feel help you out. That's the next pro. And another pro now come be say then they offer within they call compensation. Now compensation means say if you trade with all the things where they give you and you still go lost everything, then just say they will give you small thing to compensate you. Now waiting then talk be that. Now that one now good thing because not be every platform they do one like that. Some people no go even do them. If you go trade for Bybit and they liquidate you, Bybit no even get your time, you understand. So now waiting I like about them be that. Now another thing we are can't like about these people be say they get affiliate program. Another thing to be say they get a calculator if you help you break down your capital. Now waiting be some of the things I don't like about this update. The first thing I don't like about them be say their system just they like all these other updates. All of them get the same system, the same everything, the same interface, the same everything. Now waiting I don't like, which means it's either they copy these people or they copy each other. Now another thing I don't like about this update be say go put small things. So for those of them where they find free update, no be free update be this, you understand, and they don't say make you put small things. So you need to put small thing here around $10 for you to start. So now waiting we then talk be that. Now another thing I no con like be saying they no get naira for now. Now only USDT, okay? Now USDT, but USDT means say anybody if you use them globally. So now some things I don't like, and now some things where I like about the update. But make we see as in they go. If it makes sense, I go let you know. As it dey like this, I've been common small thing for the update. If I receive them, I feel drop them. If these people allow me to drop them, I go drop and show now. If I want to rate this update from 1 to 10, I go give them 6/10. Well, the reason why I will give them 6/10 be say I don't come on small thing and some other things like that. Make we just observe the update. If the team makes sense, I go still let you know. Say okay, it makes sense. So because some of them nowadays before they be the last way, but nowadays they fall like water. And so nobody know when they go drop or they no go drop or this or that. So now so the update day for now. So make una tell me what you think about buy trading. It sure say the update makes sense, no make sense. But if you still want to understand how the update they go, more information you understand, the tutorial shall be don't drop off my seeding account. If you check comment section or check my video description, and if you see the link to that particular video, make you check out that video. I don't do the video, okay? They my seeding account, but I could drop and give you to go check them out so that you go know as the update they go. If you like them, if you you understand, so now so in there. So tell me what you think about this update for comment section. Now something where you go fit join, be now something where you know go really make sense for your side. Just drop your opinion for comment section, my people. I go see you now for my next video, and bye for now.